Hey guys, welcome to today's video.
Our first video.
Our first video. We got KFC. We got chicken. We got mac and cheese.
Love it.
Biscuit. We got a spicy sandwich. French fries. These fries are bomb.
Yep.
They're crunchy and they're good. You're fine. I forgot my water.
This chicken is so big.
That is a big chicken.
I'm gonna start with the thigh. Is this the thigh?
That's a drumstick.
Yeah.
I think, no, I don't know. I think that's a thigh. I don't know.
But this is a wing.
That's a wing. Okay.
Every time when I eat chicken,
This is my first time eating KFC in a really long time.
a long time.
A really long time. Okay, are we gonna do the first bite?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's not spicy at all.
I mean, mine isn't spicy.
What was that nose? Wanna try it?
No. Also, my drink is Dr. Pepper.
Water.
Delicious water. Healthy water.
Crunchy.
Really.
So yeah, if we're like gonna really do this, like for reals, then we should get like microphones.
Yeah. We're like right here, then they can hear the crunch better.
Have you seen how Bretman Rock has a microphone? Do you watch his videos or no?
Nope.
You don't see his videos? Like his stories?
No, but I've seen mukbangs.
Microphone?
But they do have the microphone though. Also, my sauces are honey and butter. Yeah.
It's upside down.
Oh my god! I thought it wasn't upside down. Because the bun is upside down.
Where are you gonna put the butter on? Are you gonna use it?
Yeah. I'm already.
Oh, it's a little spicy. It's a little spicy.
It's kicking in.
Yeah, you wanna try it? You wanna try it?
No. You wanna try mine?
No.
Okay. So ever since you moved back in with us, how has it been?
It's been cool. It's been cool. The weather is just very different.
Have my dogs been screaming?
No, but when I was gonna go get you, they were out in the street. They were all out roaming around in the calle.
And you didn't do anything?
No, I called mom, and then she was like, "Oh, it's okay."
Oh, wait, which dog? Which dog?
The black one, and then the babies, her babies.
Both of them?
The black and white one, the black and white one, and then the little teeny tiny one. They were out. They had crossed the street, and then they had came back, but then they went that way. And I was like, "They come back, right?" And I was like, "Yeah, it's fine."
No, but the babies?
The teeny babies.
Hold up, I'll be right back. Let me go check.
If they're home,
Ooh.
both of them.
Both of them, yeah. Yeah, they're home.
Okay.
Ooh. I swear. Oh, hi, mamas. I'm sick out of my chicken.
Does your chicken have a name?
Mocha?
Mocha.
Yeah. I had so many chickens, but they all died.
I know. They got massacred.
Yeah. What's your favorite animal?
I don't really have one. What's yours?
Chickens.
That's your favorite one?
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. I will sweep it up, okay?
Pick it up, hurry up. Are you serious? You literally just threw it.
I didn't throw it. I'll sweep it up after we're done eating. Okay. Just put your leftovers right there.
Why right there?
Or not, I'll put my bun right there. Yeah.
Why'd you do that?
But by accident.
The chicken is out of frame.
Chicken. Best chicken alive.
Best chicken alive? That's pretty dead. This is really good. I would highly recommend this sandwich. It's spicy. It's a little spicy. It's not spicy.
Should we say our orders? So if they want to order it?
Oh yeah, we're a little late, huh?
Yeah.
I got the spicy chicken sandwich with a side of fries. Not the combo because I don't need the drink.
And mine is a four-piece chicken with a biscuit and mashed potatoes and gravy, but we changed it to macaroni.
You didn't get mashed potato. It's
No.
a 4-piece with macaroni and cheese and a biscuit.
Yeah, I said with mashed potatoes and gravy, but we switched it.
But it doesn't bring mashed potatoes and gravy. She said if you want mashed potatoes and gravy, we were like, no, we want mac and cheese. She's like, okay. Is it extra crispy?
Yep.
Oh my god, the light is facing not us. No, the light on the tripod. It's lighting up the window.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, I still have this chicken.
Okay, full. Can I try your biscuit?
Yeah.
Next time we gotta get like more food.
Yeah.
What happened? Tastes weird?
No, this is just fried. There's no chicken.
I'm getting full already. What the heck? Nice stretch it up. Yeah, it's just the batter. What?
It says, get the app, skip the wait, but we're still waiting.
Well, I mean, there was no line.
Yeah. Because I think most people are using DoorDash and Postmates and stuff like that. Uber Eats.
Mm-hmm. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Compared to Popeye's spicy chicken sandwich, I don't know. They're both good. The Popeye's one is good too.
Can you believe I only tried Popeyes once?
Did we go together or no?
No, I just ate you guys' leftovers when I went to your old house.
That's when you tried it?
Yeah. I tried the biscuit and a little bit of chicken.
Yeah, Popeye's is good too. I wonder how the video is gonna turn out.
Yeah. So, how was your food?
It was bomb.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the video.
You still have food in your mouth.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the video.
Thank you guys for watching. This was so good. This was way better than I expected. Highly recommend. You know, not an everyday thing, but you know, every once in a while. It's pretty tasty.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching, and let us know if we should try any other places, and if you guys have any comments or thoughts,
Recommendations of new restaurants that we probably never tried.
and yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.